Today on Q2C VR Gamer, we're going to dive into some Quest Pro accessories that you might already have. Okay, so today we're going to go over 3 different accessories that you might already own for your Quest 2 that is compatible with your Quest Pro, at least in my testings. So let's address the first one, which would be the elephant in the room. We all know battery life on the Quest Pro is a little bit sketch. 2.5, 3 hours seems to be the average without any assistance, whether it be plugged into the wall, plugged into a computer, or plugged into a Bobo VR B2 battery dock. This is the battery dock for Quest 2 headsets or head straps that allows you to use Bobo VR M2 Pro feel and longevity of battery life with any strap. So it does come with a bunch of Velcro pieces, and those Velcro pieces attach to the back of the Quest Pro without any problems. You just Velcro them over top of the wheel. The wheel still functions like it normally should, but then you can Velcro this piece right on the back, plug it into your headset, and now with unlimited battery power, you can see it's already doing its thing. You can just pop batteries off and on and play as long as you would like. Next, we're going to go over some audio things, some audio type devices, accessories. We've got both over-the-ear headphones and in-ear earbuds that were previously designed for the Quest 2 that work just fine with the Quest Pro. We're going to start with the one we all know because it's brand new to the market, and that's the Soundcore earbuds. These work exceptionally well inside of the Quest Pro, just like they did inside of the Quest 2. So this little dongle goes into your USB-C port, clicks into place, just like that, and they automatically pair. They sound fantastic. As you've known from our other review, the Soundcore buds come with multiple ear size, the little rubber parts for your ears, so they fit everybody. Charging case, it's magnetic, so putting them back in is just dropping them in and they charge right away. They sound great, they work great, they're very convenient, and not only do they work with your Quest 2, but they are fully functional with the Quest Pro. And one unexpected accessory that I'm really happy that works is the Quest 2 Conquest VR over the ear earphones. These are like crazy high quality audio. They are on the pricier side, but I think you get what you pay for. They sound fantastic and fully compatible with the Quest Pro. Now I put these on a Quest 2 with a Bobo strap, and they worked, but did they work perfectly? The audio and stuff was great. The fit on the Bobo strap is a little bit wonky. On the Elite straps, it's perfect. On the jock strap, it fits perfect. And on the Quest Pro, it fits perfect. Like, it fits better here than on my Quest 2. It's just a matter of putting them on, clipping them in. Like, they're not even loose like they were on the Quest 2. They fit so good. And they're on, just like that. They plug into the 3.5 millimeter jack on either side. And then, of course, you plug in both headphones. And they work great. They sound great. They look great. They swivel up, so get them out of your way when you're taking your headset off. And the best part when they're swiveled up like this is the Quest 2 dock your Quest will charge on the dock with the headphones on. You don't have to take them off because they swivel out of the way. It's perfect. So we've got 3 items here that do work, and I got an extra one that I'm going to talk about in a second. We've got over-the-ear earphones from Conquest VR. Links in the description. These things are amazing. The Soundcore earbuds. These are my traveling earbuds. They're so easy to put into my carrying case. The little dongle fits inside. These are the go-to if you're taking your Quest with you on holidays or a vacation or to a convention or something. These are a must to take with you. And of course, the Bobo VR B2 battery dock with exchangeable batteries. Over the ear, in the ear, and power. One more Quest accessory. Let's have a look. One more accessory that I have that you might already own is the Bobo VR C2 carrying case for the Quest 2. This is a large bubble case. It's hardcover, protects your Quest very well. And bonus, it fits the Quest Pro with the facial cover to protect your glass and your lenses. I also use Kiwi's little insert to protect my lenses. And that just slides right in the front. And that is also for the Quest 2. Put that in there. The charging dock fits right in there perfectly. The controllers both fit in here perfectly. You can then strap it down if you choose. Inside here fits your single-use controller charger. I don't know what I would ever use this for. But your Bobo batteries fit inside the pouch. You can fit an adapter in there and a cord to plug in your docking station. And once you've got everything you need, it fits perfect. Quest Pro in a Bobo VR C2 carrying case. So we have the Bobo VR C2 carrying case, the Bobo VR B2 battery dock and extra batteries that just velcros to the back of the head strap, the Conquest VR audio headphones, over-the-ear headphones, and the Soundcore earbuds are all things that you might already own for your Quest 2 that will work perfectly well with your Quest Pro. Let me know down in the bottom if you have any Quest accessories that used to work with the Quest 2 and now will work with the Quest Pro, and we'll see if we can't test them out for everyone. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up as it helps the algorithm, and we will see you on the next video.